A very good morning, everyone. Today's training session will be on Excel data validation and drop-down listing. Basically, you can see that inside my worksheet here, I have 10 questions that a candidate needs to answer the questions by either typing it yes or no lah. So in terms of typing it to the keyboard yes or no, there is also another method of using a drop-down listing for the candidates to select the yes or no for them to answer the questions. So most of the times here is that, for example, the candidates will enter yes, no by typing into the keyboard. This actually slows down the information of completing the task is because at times candidates uh, typing could be slow. So do not use this method of typing yes or no uh, onto your keyboard. Okay, I'll show you on how to use the drop-down listings to perform the jobs better. So basically, you can see that inside here, there are the still same 10 questions that the candidates needs to answer either yes or no. So I'll show you on how to use the drop-down listing for the candidate to click on yes or no. So basically, from here, the cell, you highlight all the 10 questions on the answers there, and then you click on data. Then after that, click data validation. Click data validation again. It comes up with this data validation box. Click setting and then click list under the allow. And then the source here, you need to enter either yes or no. So type in yes, comma, no, and click on OK. So you can see that now there is a drop down listings for you to select either yes or no. So here the candidate can just click on the down arrow key and then they can select the answers accordingly. So basically this would be the more convenient way uh, to perform your job using the drop down listing to select either yes or no. I hope that this video helps you in performing your jobs, and I hope to share other videos with you again, and hopefully that this video is able to help you perform your daily jobs better. Thank you very much.